It's pretty easy to fill this. I'm going to use some peppercorns down in there. Now we have a nice selection, and you line up these with this little spot down here. Push it together, and you see I've already put in the batteries. It takes 6 AA batteries, and then the top piece goes on, which there's some little indication marks down here where to put it, and you do that, snap it together, and when you press the top, there it goes, and it even has a light. You can set the coarse or fine by the little wheel down here on the bottom so that you get a different grind. Beautiful.